In spaces where women are rarely seen, sometimes one step can open the door for many. EV mobility is one such space, especially the EV service ecosystem, where skilled technicians keep electric vehicles running every day. A few years ago, Manju Verma decided to step into this field with a simple vision to build reliable EV service infrastructure while creating opportunities for others. That vision became EV Experts. Today, EV Experts is working to strengthen India's electric mobility ecosystem by providing professional EV servicing, diagnostics, and technical support for two wheelers and three wheelers. With multiple service locations, EV Experts has served more than 10,000 customers and works with over 50 business partners supporting EV adoption. But the journey is not only about technology or service. Through training programs and skill development, EV Experts is encouraging more women to enter technical roles, build careers, and even become entrepreneurs in the EV sector. The team is also developing an AI based EV diagnostic prediction tool, aiming to make vehicle maintenance smarter and more reliable. Step by step, initiatives like EV Experts are helping build a future that supports clean energy, skilled employment, and women's participation in emerging industries. Because when women move forward, the entire ecosystem moves forward with them.